Welcome to the weekly Mesonet Weather Report. I'm Wes Lee. It was another hot week for Oklahomans to endure. Highs on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday exceeded 100 in many locations. This map shows the maximum temperatures we encountered on the 10th. Winds also returned this week as well. Here were the highest gusts from Tuesday afternoon. High temperatures, winds, and few clouds gave us some of the highest evapotranspiration, or ET, rates of the year. On Tuesday, the reference short crop ET was about a quarter inch per day in the east and a third of an inch in the west. For tall crops, the numbers reached a staggering half inch per day in the west. Now here's Gary with a look at some pretty small numbers on the 30-day rainfall map.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, we are starting to see more dryness creep into the state, and not much too unexpected for an August in Oklahoma, but it is getting a little bit more serious across the northwest and also down in the southeast. We have just a little bit of the moderate drought starting to creep up into the right across the border from Texas, and then we have those small areas of moderate drought up in the northwest, and the yellow areas are where we are seeing drought start to try and get a toehold. Not quite there yet, but we certainly will be with this heat and lack of rainfall if we don't get some relief soon. We are starting to see some pressure on our topsoil moisture. This map from the USDA shows the percent short to very short of our topsoil moisture in the state. 36%, so not too bad, but we do see that +9 there, so 9% increase since last week. That's, what we're going to start seeing if we don't get relief soon with more of that topsoil moisture starting to get pressure on it. And of course that shows up in our Mesonet data. We see the 7-day 10-inch fractional water index change. So for the last week, we do see these areas of brown across the state where the topsoil moisture is starting to get a little pressure on it, starting to lose some of that topsoil moisture. So we do need some help there. We see that area of green down across parts of southeast Oklahoma where they actually got rain, so not broad enough though to help that area down across far south central and southeastern Oklahoma. Really starting to show up on the 30-day rainfall map from the Mesonet. It looks like Mother Nature just sort of threw up all over the state of Oklahoma here with the rain peppered over the state, but you can look at those areas of blue and the lighter greens. Those are areas without a lot of rainfall. Of course, down in southeastern, over across east central, and up into northwestern Oklahoma, the areas we're really concerned with. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.